What's good YouTube? It's your girl Bobby and I'm back again with another video guys. So today guys, the girl I get ready for our trip. So guys, I'm gonna do my nails. This is my nails. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna do my eyelash. Guys, and just stay tuned. Place look bleaky. The place looks so bleaky. Hey guys, so just stay tuned. Remember to like up the video and subscribe. New people them just subscribe. And yeah. I'm so in love. What's good YouTube? It's a girl Fabi and today guys I'm gonna do my ear. As I can see I'm look nice already. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna do my ear. And my ear looks so nice. Natural. So guys, just stay tuned. Look how my nails them look nice, you know? It is so nice. So guys, just stay tuned and go. Remember to, if you're new to the channel guys, just subscribe. I'm gonna do my ear now. So yeah, soon get back to you now. Just pressing. So guys, this is look. This is how the dolly look now. Look how the dolly look. So this under my ear. Oh shit. No, no, so guys, I'm just not the